How to change Wi-Fi password on T-Mobile home internet. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to change your Wi-Fi password on T-Mobile home internet quickly and easily, whether you're on PC or mobile. If your T-Mobile home internet feels slow or you're worried that too many people are connected to your Wi-Fi, it's usually because your password hasn't been updated in a while or was too simple. You might notice lag, interrupted streams, or unauthorized devices on your network. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to change your Wi-Fi password safely so only your devices can connect and your speed stays fast. Follow these steps to get it done. Step 1. Open the T-Mobile app or Gateway dashboard. Open the T-Mobile home internet app on your phone or go to my.tmobile.com and log in. Make sure you're signed in with the account linked to your gateway. Step 2. Go to Wi-Fi settings. In the app, tap Internet, then Wi-Fi settings. On the web dashboard, find the section labeled Wi-Fi or Wireless Settings. Step 3. Change your Wi-Fi name or password. Locate the password field and type your new Wi-Fi password. You can also update your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, if you want. Use a strong password with letters, numbers, and symbols. This prevents unauthorized access and keeps your speed stable. Step 4. Save the changes. Tap Save or Apply to update the settings. The gateway may restart and all connected devices will be disconnected until you reconnect them with the new password. After changing the password, reconnect your phones, computers, smart TVs, and other devices using the new password. This ensures they stay connected and your network stays secure. Sometimes devices remember the old password, so you may need to forget the network first before reconnecting. And that's it. Your T-Mobile home internet Wi-Fi password is now updated and secure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick internet tips.